the summer of love.
Kestup here, and today I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. As you can see, this will be your main problem, so I will tell you how to fix it. First of all, you have to go to your Windows icon and right click on that, and after that click on cmd admin command prompt parentheses admin. Then you have to open it. It will ask this kind of dialog box, and then you have to click on yes, and this will be opened. So what you're gonna do is net int ip reset, and after that this will be okay, resetting okay. Don't be scared if it says resetting failed, access is denied, because after this it says resetting okay, restart the computer to complete this action. So what you're gonna do is restart, or if this process will not be okay or will not may work for you, so what you're gonna do is go to device manager by clicking on start button and write device manager and click on OK, or you can click on device manager. After that, the device manager will open. It will open several things. You are going to open network adapters. Double click on network adapters, and after that what you're going to do is update driver software. Search automatically, searching for, or if this is up to date, your device is up to date, what you're going to do is uninstall, and then after that go to action and do scan for hardware changes, and after that this will be there and your problem must be fixed. If this doesn't happen or this didn't work for you, so you have to call a technician and this will work for you guys. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Bye bye.